Question number 26 says, if for an ideal gas value of R by CV is equal to 0.4, then the gas consists the molecule which are. Dear students, for an ideal gas CV is equal to F by 2R. In the given question it is given that CV is equal to R by 0.4. On comparing these two equations, we can write down that 2 by F will be equal to 0.4, which means that F will be equal to 2 by 0.4, that is 5. Dear students, the degree of freedoms are 5 for a diatomic gas, and therefore for this question option number 2 is the correct answer. Now let us discuss question number 27. Question number 27 says, two containers of equal volume contain same gas at pressure P and 3P respectively and temperatures 2T and T respectively. On joining the vessel, the gas reaches a common pressure P0 and common temperature T0. The value of P0 by T0 is. Dear students, when the containers are connected, the number of moles finally is equal to initial number of moles addition. We can write down therefore that P into 2V by R T0, here P is P0, would be equal to P into V by R into 2T plus 3P into V by R into T. On solving this expression, we can write down that 2P0 by T0 will be equal to 7P by 2T, or P0 by T0 will be equal to 7P by 4T. And therefore, for this question, option number 1 is the correct answer. Now let us discuss and proceed to question number 28. Question number 28 says, 1 mole of an ideal gas is taken from state P to state Q by 3 different processes, that is PRQ, PSQ and PTQ as shown in the figure. The heat absorbed by the gas is. We have to find out as per the given options, that option number 1 says more in process 2 than in process 1. Option 2 says the minimum in process 2. Option 3 says same in process 1 and process 3. Option 4 says more in process 2 than in process 3. Dear students, in all of these 3 processes, the change in the internal energy would be same. And this means that the final decision can be made by only comparing the work done. Now dear students, the work done in the process PRQ is positive, while the work done in PTQ is negative. The work done in PSQ is equal to 0 because it is an isochoric process. Dear students, on analyzing this given data from the given graph, we can see that the work done is maximum for PRQ and minimum for PTQ. And PTQ is the process 3, PRQ is the process 1 and PSQ is the process 2. So the minimum work done is in process 3 and the maximum work done is in the process 1. Dear students, we must also acknowledge that since the internal energy change is same for all of these 3 gases, the order of the heat absorbed will be same as the work done by the gases. Now for this particular question, we can see that the heat work done is more in process 2 than in process 3, and therefore the heat absorbed will be greater in process 2 as compared to process 3 as well, which makes option number 4 for this question as the correct answer. Now let us proceed and discuss question number 29. Question 29 says the pressure and volume diagram for an ideal gas is as shown in the figure. The total work done by the gas in process A, B, C, D will be. Dear students, the work done is equal to area under PV graph. Dear students, work done under AB curve would be equal to 2P naught into V naught minus 3V naught, that will be minus 4 P naught V naught. The work done in process BC would be equal to 0 because it is an isochoric process, and work done in CD will be equal to P naught into V naught. Dear students, the total work done will be equal to addition of all these 3 work dones, which will be equal to minus 3 P naught V naught, and hence for this question option number 3 is the correct answer. Now let us proceed to question number 30. Question number 30 says the volume V of an ideal gas, which is diatomic, varies with its absolute temperature T as shown in the figure. The molar specific heat of the gas during this process is. Dear students, We can see here that volume is proportional to temperature, which means that it is an isobaric process. For an isobaric process, the specific heat capacity for a diatomic gas is equal to 7 by 2R, which is equal to 3.5R, which means option number 4 is the correct answer. Now let us discuss question number 31.